You know, thinking back, one of the hardest things that I had to face in my own life was just trying to figure out who I really was supposed to be. And if you're in that same place right now, let me tell you, I get it. That fight between who the world says you should be and who God is quietly whispering, you already are that person. I remember sitting on my bed one night, my phone was in my hand, and I was just scrolling. And I felt like everybody else was ahead of me. She's married, they got the house already, the career, the whole shebang. And I'm just staring at the screen like, well, what's wrong with me? Why can't I get it together? It was nothing wrong with me. I was just busy measuring my life to everybody else's blueprint. And maybe that's you too. You keep grinding, shifting, and just bending yourself just to fit in. But deep down, you still feel like you're not enough, or you should have more at this stage in your life. No matter how much you do, it's never enough when you're chasing the wrong version of you. That's the thing about purpose. It doesn't let you rest when you're off track. And I know it hurt. It just makes you feel like you're failing. But what if the real reason you feel like you're failing, it isn't because you're not capable. It's because God is protecting you from winning at the wrong thing. See, resilience, it isn't about pushing harder. Sometimes resilience means surrender. It's about saying, okay, God, I trust you more than the picture that I trust in my head. And the crazy part, the moment you make that decision, peace starts creeping back in, because now you're not fighting the same battles, not in chasing their approval, but in finally deciding I'm gonna be who God wants me to be, even if nobody else get it. That's where you find peace. That's where you finally get to breathe. So if you're struggling right now with who you're supposed to be, maybe it's just time to just stop asking the world for direction and start listening to the one who created you. Because being who God wants you to be, that's the version that's been waiting all along.